a shopkeeper want to recruit a salesman. There are two candidates here. One person is highly educated, knowledgeable, but with a serious face attitude like. Another person not that much educated, okay, but a friendly moving person, always a smile with his face. Obviously, owner recruited which person?
The second person, yes, sir. Yeah, got that.
The
Yes.
same thing, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, there is one person, Robert, want to recruit a PhD holder. Okay, in computer science, you want to recruit a PhD holder in computer science. He interviewed multiple people. He didn't get. He interviewed one person. Okay, but the problem is that person had multiple offers in his hand. Already he had multiple big offers in his hand, but he got shocked. Suddenly, the same person joined in this company. Then Robert asked her, "Hurry, you have multiple offers from big companies with high salary, but why you joined in this company?" But the answer that candidate told, have you remembered? Whenever I'm talking with other company managers, they're always talking only business with me, only activities with me. But whenever I'm talking with you, your friendliness makes me more comfortable. That's why I joined here. Money is not important, brand is not important. So where I'm feeling easy to move, okay, friendly nature, okay, that makes me comfortable, that makes me to join here. Like, getting right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah,
The same
100%.
examples only.
Yes.
Okay, that's why. So friendliness, smiling, next giving importance to the opposite person, giving the respect. The person who is feeling respected, the person who is feeling important, felt important there. Okay, that person is always going to work for us. Okay, big time.